Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the best deals that are going on this week at Walgreens. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up we have some laundry deals. So we have the Purex liquid laundry detergent 150 ounces. These are on sale this week for $8.49. We have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $5.49. And we also have the Purex Packs 19 count and the Purex liquid laundry detergent 43.5 fluid ounces. These are on sale this week for $1.99 each. And next up, here's a really good coupon matchup. We have the Palmolive Dish Liquid 8 fluid ounces. These are priced at 99 cents this week, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying just 49 cents. Alright guys, next up we have Bounty paper towels, Charmin bath tissue, Gain laundry detergent, and Tide pods are also included in this deal. So these are all on sale this week for $9.99. When you buy 2, that's going to put you at $19.98, and you're going to get back a $5 register reward when you buy 2. And we also have some coupon matchups that'll go along with this deal. So if you want to pick up one of the Bounty paper towels and the Charmin bath tissues, pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $19.98. We have a 25-cent off 1 digital coupon for each of those products. So use both of those. That's going to leave you paying at $19.48. You're going to get back a $5 register reward when you buy 2. And that's going to leave you paying $14.48 for 2. Now you can use Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, or you can pair this deal up with a spin booster and get some extra Walgreens cash back. And if you have insert coupons, you can do this deal right here. I am going to be trying this out today to make sure that the Tide is included, because in the ad it doesn't specifically say Tide is included, but once you click on that deal, Tide does show up, and it is marked at that sale price at $9.99. So I'm pretty sure that Tide is included with this as well. So pick up one of the Gain and one of the Tide laundry detergents. And you're going to use that 2-off-1 Tide coupon that came in this month's P&G inserts. And also, we received a 2-off-1 insert coupon for Gain in the January 2nd inserts. So that is going to leave you paying $14.98 out of pocket. You're going to get back that $5 register reward for buying 2. That's going to make your final price $10.98 for 2. Alright guys, next up here is a must-do deal at Walgreens this week. So we have Scott paper products. They are on sale this week. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you want to pick up the 6-count Scott paper towels and the 12-count Scott bath tissue. That's going to put you at $7.50. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the paper towels and 1-off-1 for the bath tissue. So use both of those, and that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2, making those just $2.75 each. And when you're done, don't forget to scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards, because right now on the app, we have a bonus for Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, and Viva products. When you spend $25, you're going to get back 5,000 points, and that does add up over time. So make sure you scan your receipt in. Alright guys, next up you want to pick up 2 of the Lysol disinfectant wipes, 80 count. These are priced at $5.49 each. They are on sale this week. Buy 1 and get 1 for free. So I included these products in a pickup order, and when I added it to my cart, it did apply 2 of the 50-cent off 1 digital coupons for Lysol products. So that is going to leave you paying $4.99 for 2, making those just $2.24 each. Now with that being said, I was only expecting 1 of the 50-cent off 1 digital coupons to apply to this order, but like I said, it did apply 2, so that may be a little glitch in the system, I'm not sure, but either way, I think this is a great deal. Even if you don't have any digital coupons to apply to this sale, you're getting 2 for $5.49, so that is a great stock up price. Alright, and next up we have another sale, no coupons needed whatsoever. So we have the Walgreens brand batteries, 16 count AA or AAA batteries. These are on sale this week. Buy 1, get 1 for free. So you're going to pick up 2. That's going to leave you paying $14.99 out of pocket. You can use Walgreens cash to pay that down, and that's going to make those just $7.49 each. All right, next up, we have a couple of deals on some food items. So we have General Mills cereals. These are on sale this week for $1.88. So you want to pick up two, that's going to put you at $3.76. We have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.76 for two. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a 25-cent rebate back on General Mills Cheerios. So if you pick up two of the General Mills Cheerios, submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get 50 cents back. That's going to make your final price $2.26 for two, making those $1.13 each. Now, double check your Ibotta account before you go to the store because you may have a different General Mills cereal rebate on your account. Just make sure that you clip it and you're good to go. All right, and next up, we just have another really good sale on Oscar Mayer hot dogs. So these are on sale this week. Buy one and get one for free. If you want to pick up the regular sized hot dogs, those are priced at $3.50 each. So you're going to pick up two of those. You're going to pay $3.50. That makes those just $1.75 each. Or you could also pick up the Oscar Mayer bun length hot dogs. Those are priced at $5.49. So pick up two, you're going to pay $5.49, and that makes those $2.74 each. Alright guys, next up we have the L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoo and conditioners. These are on sale this week. Buy one, get one 40% off. So you're going to pick up two. That's going to put you at $7.98. And we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon. We also have insert coupons that you could use as well. And we have a 2 off 2 IVC coupon. So you're going to use both of those. That's going to make your final price $2.98 for two. Alright guys, and next up we have one of the deals of the week this week at Walgreens. So we have Suave hair or bath care. These are on sale for just $2 each. So you want to pick up three, that's going to put you at $6. We have a 1 off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $4 register reward for purchasing two. That's going to make your final price just $1 for all 3 Suave products. Now, some of you out there may have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for Suave products. So if you have that coupon, you can pick up 2 of the Suave products. That's going to put you at $4. Use that 1 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3 out of pocket, and you're going to get back a $4 register reward for purchasing 2. So that's going to make your final price completely free plus a $1 moneymaker. So I did forget to make a slide for that specific deal, but I will post that in the community tab after I get this video posted. Alright, next up we have an awesome deal on Nivea body wash. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $10. So you want to pick up 3 of them. That's going to put you at $15. We have a 150 off 1 insert coupon and a 4 off 2 insert coupon that came in the January 2 inserts. So you're going to use both of those. That's going to leave you paying $9.50 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And you are going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back for purchasing 3. So that's going to make your final price $4.50 for all 3, making those just $1.50 each. Alright guys, next up, here's a really good coupon matchup for you. So we have the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. These are priced at $6.79. We have a 2 off 1 IVC coupon, plus we have a 2 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon. So use both of those, and that's going to leave you paying just $2.79 out of pocket, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up we have the 25 count Dulcolax. These are priced at $8.99. We have a 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5.99. But it does get a little bit better because right now on Ibotta we have a $3 rebate. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $3 back. That's going to make your final price just $2.99. Now, if you want to pick up 2 of the Dulcolax 25 count, these are on sale this week. Buy one and get one at 50% off. So you're going to pick up 2 at $13.48. We have a 3 off 1 digital manufacturer coupon, and we also have an insert coupon also from the January 2nd inserts. So you're going to use 2 of those 3 off 1 manufacturer coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $7.48 out of pocket, or again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get a total of $6 back. And that's going to make your final price just $1.48 for 2, making those just 74 cents each. Alright, next up we have the Preparation H Soothing Relief Cooling Spray, the 2.7 ounce. These are priced at $6.99. We have a 2 off 1 IVC store coupon, so you're going to use that, and that's going to leave you paying $4.99 out of pocket, or again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And again, the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $2 rebate, and this is for the 2.7 ounce only, so make sure you're picking up the right size. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $2 back. That's going to make your final price just $2.99. Or you could also double up on this deal and pick up 2 of them for $13.98. You're going to use the 2-off-1 IVC store coupon. That's going to take off a total of $4. Then you're going to need 2 of the 2-off-1 manufacturer coupons that came in the January 2 inserts. That's going to leave you paying $5.98 for 2. But again, the deal gets even better because we do have that rebate on Ibotta. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get a total of $4 back. That's going to make your final price just $1.98 for 2, making those just 99 cents each. Alright guys, so we are almost done, but we cannot get through a Walgreens video without having some free toothpaste deals. So this week we have Crest and Oral-B products there on sale for $3 each. And when you pick up 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So you're going to want to pick up one of the Crest toothpaste that are priced at $3 and one of the Oral-B toothbrushes that are priced at $3. That's going to put you at $6. We have a 2-off-1 manufacturer digital coupon for the toothpaste and a 1-off-1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So that's going to leave you paying $3 out of pocket for 2, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you're going to get back a $4 register reward for purchasing 2. That's going to make your final price completely free plus a $1 moneymaker. Alright guys, next up we have Colgate toothpaste. So if you prefer Colgate over Crest, here is a deal for you. And this is an awesome deal just by itself. I'm probably going to go into the store and do this a couple of times because we also have insert coupons as well. So we have Colgate toothpaste. These are on sale this week for $2.99. And we have 2 2-off-1 digital manufacturer coupons. And then you're going to get back a $4 register reward for purchasing 2. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. That's going to put you at $5.98. Use 2 of those 2-off-1 digital coupons. That's going to leave you paying $1.98 for 2. You're going to get back that $4 register reward for purchasing 2, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. That's going to make your final price completely free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. Alright guys, and last but not least, we do have a glitch going on at Walgreens this week, and as far as I can tell, it's still working this morning, Wednesday morning. So if you have these nearby at your store and you can put these in a pickup order, here's you a couple of free Hallmark cards, okay? So what you want to do is type in Hallmark Paper Wonder cards, and several of them are going to pop up, but you want to look for this one that is specifically this Valentine's Day pop-up card for $1. So you're going to add 2 of those to your cart. We have a 2-off-2 Hallmark Valentine's Day card digital coupon, and that's going to make your final price completely free. Now again, I do want to stress that this is only for pickup orders. Do not try to do this in the store. The store closest to me does not have them in stock. The next store, it's about 30 minutes away. They do have them in stock, and it is applying still at checkout. So you're going to have to do this as a pickup order if you want to get in on these freebies. Alright guys, so a couple of things before we go. I am going to go into Walgreens today and try to do a quick little haul, but here is my booster for this week. It's earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and I did receive this same booster last week, so hopefully I'll get something a little bit better next week. Keep in mind, y'all check your accounts today and tomorrow for those sneak peek boosters. And then I also want to mention really quickly that they have made some changes to the Walgreens system. Now, this may be old news. I haven't couponed at Walgreens here in a couple of weeks. But we did notice in the ad this week that some of the deals, specifically having to do with register rewards, are excluded with pickup orders now. So, for instance, the Bounty, Gain, and Charmin deal, you cannot do that as a pickup order and still get your register reward back. So just keep that in mind, and if you're not sure if a deal will work with a pickup order, you can always open up your Walgreens app and check out the ad, and then look up that specific deal, and it will tell you if pickup orders are excluded. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but if you want to see more of these Walgreens videos, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Also, I'm very curious to find out which days do you guys like couponing at Walgreens the best. Are you one of those people that go out, Sunday, Monday, and you get all of your Walgreens couponing done at the beginning of the week? Or do you like to wait around and see what are the best coupon matchups, what are the best deals, and then maybe you like to go out, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? And the reason why I asked that is because I would really like to continue doing Walgreens deals on this channel. I'm just trying to figure out where I can fit that in. Where would that best suit you guys and be the most helpful, because on Sundays we go over all of our new coupons. On Monday, Tuesday I usually have the Dollar General good deals video, so I'm thinking Walgreens Wednesday would be a good fit. But you guys let me know down in the comment section below, do you like going at the beginning of the week, or do you wait until the end of the week till you figure everything out? Alright guys, so that's enough of my jibber jabber, and like I said, that's it for me for now. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing community here. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I will see you on the next one.